One of the things you can do for review is do the chapter review exercises in your textbook. Now, they are not multiple choice, but working through them will still help you understand the topics, and so that'll help you reinforce them when you do the multiple choice questions. The review exercises can be found on page 315 through 317. There's 10 of them, but you only have to do the first 9. And the solutions are in the back of the book, page S22 and S23. You can also get in Sapling, and I'll show you what you can do. If you click on the e-textbook, and make sure you accept cookies so you can see it. This is chapter 4, and you'll find chapter 4 in unit 3. And if you go to chapter 4 wrap up, there's chapter 4 review, which is mainly just talking about different terms and maybe a couple free response questions. But the review sections, the review exercises are right here. Notice that on the online textbook, there's a little play button. So there's a video explanation of those answers. And each one of them has that. So what I would suggest doing is just writing down the problem number and trying to see if you can answer each of these to the best you can, playing the video to reinforce it, and maybe changing some of your solutions if you need to. I would not, even if all you want to do is read through the problem, think about it, and then play the video, it's still a decent way to review. You can also find the written out solutions here back under the table of contents, under back matter, and solutions. And like I said, the solutions were S21 through S22. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a good way to get those quickly, but if you scroll down far enough, you can see those solutions. So answers to chapter 4 review exercises are 4.1, are 4.2, are 4.3, are 4.4, all that's there. I want to go back real quick to the unit. Unit 3, chapter 4, chapter 4 wrap up, chapter 4 AP statistics practice test. This test minus question 2, because we don't do the table of random digits, is what we did for our quizzes. So this is just the same set of questions, and you can see the solutions also in the back matter. This is also after your chapter review. So even if you want to go through and complete these problems using your textbook, it's going to be found right after your chapter review. And the solutions are on the back matter on page S23. So you can go through those again if you need to. I'll post a video going over them as well. And these are on Sapling. So if you go back on Sapling, even though I've done it as a quizzes, you can still go through and complete the chapter review exercises, which are, it's called the chapter 4 practice test. So if you click on that in Sapling, it's got 11 questions, and it's the same questions, although the answer choices are most likely in a different order. So just keep that in mind as you're going through them, as you're practicing.